How to change peer. Are you facing issue with change of peers on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the peer on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT mobile. As soon as you open up the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in, to change the peer, just simply click on this icon which is located at the top left corner of your screen. Click on this icon. After click on it, you will be forwarded to this interface. Now tap on search bar and search for your related peer. For example, if you want to change it to gold, tap on XAUUSD. Tap on it and the selected pair will appear on your chart. That's it guys, that's how you're going to change chart or peers on your PrimeXBT website or mobile devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.